Hi friends, this is Subrat here, and this is the 15th video on my Python series. And in this video I am going to cover about string concatenation and string multiplication. So let's begin. Okay, at first I need to tell you about what is string concatenation. So string concatenation means joining strings together end to end to create a new string. Suppose you have two strings in two different variables and you need to join them together and you need to form a single unique string. Then you can use at that time string concatenation operation. So to concatenate string we can use plus operator. We have to use plus operator to join two different strings and we can form a single unique string. So we need to keep in mind that when we work with numbers, plus operator is for addition operation, but when we work with strings, plus operator can be used for joining operation. That means concatenation operation. So here we can use plus operator for two different things. That is called operator overloading. So we will see this concept in future videos. So let us see how to concatenate two strings by using plus operator. Suppose I have one variable called strg1 equal to hello and strg2 equal to world. So I want to form these two string into a single one. Combo equal to strg1 plus strg of 2. So let us see what is the output in a combo. So I can do this print of combo. Let us see what is the value inside combo. Here the value is concatenated. That means hello and world has joined together and it has formed a single string. So in this way you can use as a string as a concatenation. So another example also I can tell you. So I can also add string and a numeric type. So let's see if you are adding string and a numeric type, what is the output you are getting. Suppose I have string called Subrat and I want to add it with some numeric value. So it is giving me must be string, not an integer. It cannot concatenate a numeric into a string type. So we have to convert a numeric to string type only, then only we can concatenate it. So to do this I can use the quotation mark over my numeric value and it will be concatenated. So we are clear on it. So we cannot concatenate a string to numeric. We have to use both parameters like string type only. So one more way of doing this is, so I can use print of suppose this is my first string and I want to concatenate it with another string str of 55. So here str is a inbuilt method which is used to convert a numeric or any format to a string format. After converting only we are using concatenation operator. So friends, this is all about the string concatenation and how to use the string concatenation. So here one thing we need to keep in mind that we can use the plus operator for doing string concatenation. There is no special function, inbuilt function is there to concatenate two string. We can use the plus operator to concatenate strings. So let us understand the different topic which is string multiplication. So this is one of the interesting thing in Python. It's allowing us to multiply a string with a number. So let us do that, some string multiplication. So I can do like this string bbsr. I can multiply it with 3. Let us multiply it and see what's the output. See here, so the bbsr has printed 3 times. If you are multiplying a string with a numeric, then it is replicating the string into that number of numeric you have mentioned. That means here 3 times it is replicating. In another way of doing this, 3 or suppose 5 into hello. So if you are doing this, so it is giving me name print is not defined, so you need to give it small letter. So hello has been printed 5 times. Let us multiply it with 0. What's the output? Let's see. So print of hello into 0. So it is not giving me any output. If you are multiplying it 0, that means it is replicating 0 times, means no times. So let us do multiplication with a tuple type. So I can do like this, print of 3 multiplied by, for creating a tuple I have to use the open and close brackets. So inside that if I have hello, I have to pass it comma, then only it will consider it as a tuple. If I am not passing it as a comma and directly doing this, it is considering it as a string only. If I want to consider it as a tuple or list or something, I have to pass it as a comma. Let us multiply it with list type. So I can do like this, print of 3 multiplied by, for creating a list I have to use the square brackets. Suppose inside it I have 1 2 3 2 5 6, I have to use the comma. Let's see what's the output. See here, 3 times it's coming. So here this is one time, this is second time, and this is 3 time. Let us remove comma and see what's the output we have. So here if you are removing the comma also, it is giving me as a list as an output. But in case of tuple, you have to give the comma, because while multiplying, when we are doing multiplication operation, it is common that we can use the brackets, but while multiplying we shouldn't, or we usually won't use the square brackets. That's why it is considering as a list, but explicitly to specify this as a tuple, you have to pass it as a comma. So friends, this is all about string concatenation and string multiplication. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt in this, leave a comment under my video. Thank you.